Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cute paper quilling dog along with his house, and it is completely paper made. Can you see the beautiful wooden texture which is handmade without using any embossing pad? And also I will share how to make this cute 3D quilling dog. I named him Bono, and this is super duper cute and easy to make. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. I'm starting with the dog's face. For this I'm taking 5 strips of off-white color in 3mm and making one tight coil dome. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. Similarly, I have prepared one more dome. Now adding glue inside both the domes and connecting with each other. Like this. Now I'm just wrapping one small off-white color strip around this, exactly in the center, for the finishing look. And the face is completely ready. Now keeping it aside, and to create the bottom body, here I have already prepared this long cone using 6 strips of off-white color in 3mm, and the height of this cone is 2.5 centimeters. And also I have prepared one more dome using 6 strips of off-white color in 3mm. This is simple dome shape just like we created for the face. Now I am joining both the shapes together. And wrapping off-white strip around this joining portion for the finishing. Like this. Then to make neck, here I am taking half strip of light brown color in 3mm and just randomly making one ring. I am going to add belt on the neck, that's why I am taking here dark brown color strip. Now just sticking the ring on top of the body, and then I'll stick the face. Like this. Then to create ears, here I am taking 2 strips of off-white color in 1mm and making one loose coil. Here I wanted to bend the ears, that's why I am using 1mm. All the supply links are given in description box, you can check there. So I have here prepared the leaf shape. Now I am bending it around the tool to make it curved like this. Add glue on this and allow it to dry. Similarly, I have prepared one more ear. So ears are ready. Then to create the legs, here I am taking 1 strip of off-white color in 3mm and making one cone shape. like this. Then to create paws, I am taking 1.5 strip of off-white color in 3 mm and making one tight coil dome. Adding glue inside both the shapes and allow it to dry. Then to make the small fingers, here I am taking 1/8 strip of off-white color in 3 mm and making one small tight coil. So I have prepared total 3 tight coils here for fingers. Now I am attaching fingers with the foot and the paw is completely ready. So legs and paws are ready. Now I prepared 2 more tight coil dome using 3 strips for each shape. These are simple dome, and for these back legs also we need 2 paws. So this is done. Now it's time to construct everything. So taking back the body, and I am going to attach back legs first. Then in the front I am attaching front legs. Like this. And also I have attached all 4 paws with the legs like this, and also connected both the ears, looking so pretty and cute. Then I am going to connect the nose, which is made using 2.5 strip of off-white color in 2 mm. This is simple dome shape like this. And then I am going to connect small eyebrows, which are made using 1/8 strip in 2 mm. These are simple curved leaves, and then adding 2 black circles for eyes. Then for the nose, I have prepared this tight coil, which is made using 1/4 strip of 2 mm in black color. And the super duper cute bunny is ready. I am just making the mouth line using black marker, and this is done. So I have also attached one red color belt around the neck and added one small tag called Bono. I named him Bono. And added one spiral strip on backside for the tail. And very pretty and handsome Bono is ready. Now it's time to make home for him. So here I am taking Kraft Cardstock, which is having 250 GSM thickness, and this measures 10 by 9 centimeters. Now from left side and right side I am marking at 1 centimeters. Making line by joining these markings. Then in the bottom, marking at the center, that is 4 centimeters between 2 lines, and also marking at 1 and 7 centimeters. Similarly, marking in the center on top, creating the center line. Then from top I am marking at 3 centimeters on both the lines, then joining these markings diagonally from bottom, and from the top I am connecting to the center. like this. Now created these lines which we need to crease. So to crease it, I am taking my ball tool and it should look like this. Then just cutting the excess paper and folding the creased part. And it should look like this. Similarly, I have prepared one more. So we need two pieces for house for front and back part. Then to make the wooden texture, here again I am taking my ball tool and just randomly creating some lines, some oval shapes to give it nice wooden texture. And then using brown distress ink, I am just distressing from the bottom, from all the edges, to highlight the texture a little more, and also it will look more realistic. Then just created the door. So I am cutting the door portion. And this is done. So front and back panels are ready. Now to create left and right panels, we need two more cardstock which measures 4 by 6 centimeters. On this also I have created the texture and distressed it. Now it's time to assemble the house by joining all 4 panels together. Like this. Very pretty. So the base of the house is ready. Now to make roof, here I am taking 12 by 4 centimeter maroon cardstock, just folded it from center, and I am going to stick it on top of the roof. Like this, allow it to dry. Then adding 2 more small brown color strip in the front part. So house is ready. Then to make the base for house, here I am taking mound board piece which measures 8 by 8 centimeters, and I am going to wrap it using black color cardstock. So this is done. Now on the other side I have connected green color square to give grass look. Now just sticking the house on top of this. Very pretty. Then in the bottom I am adding small pieces of grass. and adding the home tag in the center. So the house is completely ready. Similarly, I have added grass on both the sides of house, and now it's time to stick the bono inside the house. So I don't want to stick it permanently. That's why I'm here using paper tape, which is double-sided. So you can temporarily stick it inside the house, and whenever you want you can remove it. So just removing the liner and sticking it in the front of the door. The super cute paper quilling bono with his home is ready. You can create for the pet lovers, dog lovers, or also you can make it as a showpiece. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video, and if you want you can also convert this into fridge magnet. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.